Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Lysol Kitchen Pro is probably one of the most essential tools in maintaining a hygienic and sparkling kitchen, a space where food preparation and family gatherings often take place, making its cleaning power and germ-killing capabilities absolutely paramount for the health and well-being of everyone in your household, especially when dealing with raw meats, sticky residues, or everyday spills that can harbor unseen bacteria. Number 5. Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. Introducing Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. It's designed to tackle tough messes in your kitchen and bathroom, leaving behind a refreshing lemon breeze scent. This multi-purpose spray effectively disinfects surfaces, killing germs while it cleans. Keep your home healthy and sparkling with ease. From sticky countertops to grimy sinks, this cleaner is your go-to solution. Its powerful formula works on various surfaces throughout your home. Enjoy the invigorating lemon breeze scent as you clean. It not only eliminates dirt but also freshens up your living spaces. With a large 32 fluid ounces bottle, you'll have plenty of cleaning power on hand. It's perfect for frequent use and ensures you're always ready for unexpected spills. What we like? This option offers a refreshing lemon breeze scent to leave your kitchen smelling great. Its large 32 fluid ounces size means fewer repurchases. If you are looking for a versatile cleaner for everyday messes and want a pleasant aroma, this is a solid choice. What people say. This cleaner is effective at removing grease and grime from kitchen surfaces. The spray nozzle provides a fine mist that covers surfaces evenly. It leaves the kitchen smelling fresh and clean without a harsh chemical odor. Number 4. Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. Introducing Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. It tackles tough messes throughout your home, leaving behind a fresh lemon breeze scent. This multi-purpose spray is designed to disinfect surfaces in your kitchen and bathroom. It effectively eliminates germs and grime. Enjoy the invigorating lemon breeze scent as you clean. It makes tidying up a more pleasant experience. Get more cleaning power with this convenient pack of 232 fluid ounces bottles. You'll have plenty to keep your home sparkling. Make it your go-to solution for everyday cleaning needs. It's effective on a variety of surfaces, ensuring a hygienic home. What we like? Get more cleaning power with this convenient pack of 2. Enjoy the pleasant lemon breeze scent while effectively disinfecting your home. If you want to stock up and save, and prefer a clean, fresh smell, this multi-purpose spray is ideal for busy households. What people say. It has a nice scent and it cleans well. This is a great cleaner that works on grease and grime. Number 3. Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner and Degreaser. Introducing a powerful new way to tackle kitchen messes. This cleaner cuts through grease and grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. It's your all-in-one solution for a spotless kitchen. From countertops to ovens, it handles it all with ease. Keep your kitchen healthy and hygienic. Its antibacterial formula helps eliminate germs for a safer home environment. Enjoy a fresh and clean scent after every use. The bright citrus aroma leaves your kitchen smelling delightful. Get more cleaning power with this convenient 22-ounce bottle. It's designed for long-lasting use in your busy kitchen. Experience the professional-grade clean you deserve. Make your kitchen shine with this effective and reliable spray. What we like? This cleaner is specifically formulated to cut through tough grease and grime in the kitchen. Its citrus scent provides a clean fragrance without being overpowering. If you're dealing with stubborn kitchen messes, like baked-on food or greasy stovetops, this is the powerful solution you need. What people say. The spray nozzle is great and disperses the cleaner evenly. It cuts through grease and grime effectively, leaving surfaces clean. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 2. Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner. Introducing the Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner. It's designed to tackle tough grease and grime, leaving your kitchen sparkling clean. This powerful formula eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Keep your kitchen surfaces hygienic and safe for your family. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. It makes cleaning your kitchen a more pleasant experience. Get more value with this convenient pack of 2. You'll always have this essential cleaner on hand when you need it. From Lysol, a brand you can trust for a healthier home. Make the Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner a staple in your cleaning routine. What we like. This antibacterial cleaner is designed for your kitchen's toughest jobs. The pack of 2 ensures you're always ready for spills and messes. If you prioritize germ-killing power for your food prep areas and want a convenient bulk purchase, this is the perfect fit. What people say. It has a great scent, and it cleans really well. This cleaner is awesome, it cuts through grease and grime with ease. I love that it disinfects as it cleans, leaving my kitchen sparkling and germ-free. Number 1. The Pink Stuff Ultimate Cleaning Pack. Get ready to experience a new level of clean with our Ultimate Cleaning Pack. It's designed to tackle your toughest messes with ease. Our miracle cleaning paste is a game changer for stubborn grime. Watch it effortlessly lift away dirt and restore shine to your surfaces. For everyday cleaning, reach for our versatile multi-purpose spray. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and so much more. Tackle bathroom messes with our powerful foam cleaner. It cuts through soap scum and leaves your bathroom sparkling. Say goodbye to greasy buildup and tough stains. These products are formulated to cut through grease and make stains disappear. From your kitchen counters to your bathroom tiles, this pack does it all. Enjoy a spotless home with minimal effort. What we like. This ultimate cleaning pack tackles grease and stains with ease across multiple surfaces. It offers a comprehensive solution for various cleaning needs. If you appreciate a powerful, all-in-one cleaning system that can handle everything from kitchen grease to bathroom grime, this bundle is an excellent value. What people say. It has a nice scent and it cleans well. This is a great product that works very well on grease and grime. I love the spray bottle, it is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.